Breakers coming into this protected little bay. It's just frickin' wild here. Breaking over the breakwater. I'm getting sucked out into the breakwater, so I'm gonna turn here before that one gets me. Yikes. I'll go over here. There's two young girls taking pictures of each other. They're arching their little backs and, you know, that kind of stuff. Let me look. Oh, I look fantastic. Oh, somebody's gonna want to nail me on that one, huh?
Howdy, Cruz. Anybody else? Got some kelp beds out here. Dana Point. Got a couple calicos, but a couple kayakers out here fishing it. They left, said the bike was off. So I got here a little late. Tomorrow, this kelp bed's still here, which I'm guessing will be.
I'm fishing this jetty out here at Dana Point. I'm fishing the edge because there's lots of fish along the edge. And this is about a 15-foot jetty, I'd guess. And there are waves coming over the top of this thing down around the corner, which I will attempt to film without getting a saltwater shower. And when a big wave comes by, all this water surge comes out. A lot of fish right down here. Very oxygenated water. A lot going on, but I'm going back to get some clouser minnows. I got a feeling they could smash those. I don't have any with me. See the water coming in? It's like a river from the waves on the other side of this. Dana Point's over here. Comes a big one. Big surge. Sounds like thunder. Whoa, that was a giant one there. Woohoo! That's the big boy. Down Carlsbad Beach here.